Hello, hi. Yeah, now we are going to see the demo for Smart Commerce Admin Panel. I'm going to log in with my existing account. So this is the dashboard, and here you can see the users, how many users are signed in, and what are the products, how many products you have listed in the user app, and these are the orders, how many ever orders have been crossed, and these are the sales displayed over here. In the dashboard, the orders, new orders, what and all we have received, and the new users who have been signed in. These two categories will be displayed in the dashboard. And moving on to the main navigation, the first one is the banner section. In the banner section, there is an option in each and every navigation option. There is a banners where you can select how many ever numbers you want to be displayed. That will be displayed over here. And there is an option to edit and add banner. So now we are going to see the add banner. You can give the title for the ad banner, you can choose an image for this, and these are the two options where this first one is the menu banner and second one is the ads banner. Suppose if you want to add give any ads like that, you can select this one and you can select the position for this, and if you want it to be active for some time, for example if you want it weekly once or twice, you can give active for that, and in the other days you can select the inactive section, and you give, and if you submit it only for those days, it will be active and will be shown in the user app. So that is the functionality of the user banners one. The next one is the brands. These are the already added brands. Suppose if you want to add a new brand, you can select the add brand here, and you can select the name of the brand, you can select the image for that, and what the position you want, active and inactive states. So once you give these brands here, it will be displayed in the list. So these are already added ones. Through the edit section, we can even edit the image or title, whatever you want, we can do it from here. So the next one is the delivery slot. So in the delivery slots, these are the timings in which the user will get their products delivered to them, to their destination. So these things we can customize in the panel. We can add the slots, what are the time, from which time to which time we'll be selecting active and inactive states. Suppose for weekly and weekends, whatever you want, in weekends particular delivery slots and weekdays particular delivery slots, like that you can add and keep it here. These things will be displayed in the user app, where the user can select the particular slot which they want and get their products delivered at that time. So the next one is the subscription. In the user app, there is an option for a subscription where the user can get a subscription for milk or curd or something like that. For that purpose, you can select, suppose for alternate days if you want, for daily basis, or even from 3 days, whichever option suits them best, they can give that. These things can be added here. You can add the subscription. How many number of days, what is the title, we can give it over here. Even if you want for weekly, whatever the option is there, we can select it. All these options will be visible in the user app. So the next one is the product subscription. Here, whatever the products the user have subscribed, their contact details, the username, and what product they have subscribed and what is the variant of that, everything will be displayed in this section. And what is the start date, what is the subscription, even if it is daily, weekly, and what is the intervals, it will be displayed in this section. So next one is the paid subscription. So here the user details and what product they have subscribed and whether they have paid, these details will be their mobile number, addresses, what is the product they have subscribed and what the variant, how many quantity, price, everything is displayed. So the next one is coupon section. So in coupon section, You can add the coupon, you can give the name of the coupon and what is the code for that particular coupon and what is the percentage you are going to give, start and end date, and what is the maximum count. Suppose above 1000 rupees you will give this coupon, then you can give the maximum count here. So once you have added it here, it will be under this list. So the customers can avail the offer by giving the coupon code. So the next one is the users. Here in the users, the first one is the whoever users have signed in to our application, the list will be displayed over here. You can edit or view their so what are the orders a particular person is having, if there is any cash reward for him. This is for the new registration, we are giving a reward cash. So if you want anything to be added like this, you can give it here. Under ratings point, if you want, we can add it here. So the next one is the agent section. The agent is a delivery boy. So we can create here, we can add the agent, the delivery agent name, mobile number, email ID and password. Through this they can sign into their delivery application, and the delivery application they will be getting their destination where they can deliver their products. They can select the district or pin code. So this is the agent, delivery boys. And the third one is an admin agent. Whoever is using this as an admin, they can give their name, mobile number and email ID. So the next one is the categories. There are two options, parent categories and subcategories. Parent categories are listed over here. You can add. So in this parent category, you can choose a file, add the name, active or inactive states. And the next one is subcategories. For subcategory section, suppose if you want vegetable tomato, you can add it here and you can give the parent category as fresh vegetables. So here you can give the name of the subcategory, choose an image for that, and what is the main category for that. As I have told, suppose if you want to add any fruits, apple, you can give it under the fresh fruits. So these are the parent categories. So after selecting this, you can give the position for that and you can submit it. So this subcategory will be listed under the product main categories, parent categories. So the next one is the district, pin code and areas. So in whichever districts we are providing, we can add here. So through this we can add and even we can edit it. So we can add the name, position and status of that. And the next one is the pin code section. We can give the pin code for the particular district. We can map it over here. And these pin code details are displayed in this section. So the next one is areas. Same likewise, we can give the area for that. The name, pin code, the district and suppose if you want in this place, you have to give a delivery amount of how much ever the distance. According to that, you can pre-plan and select it here. You can set the delivery amount. So the next one is the products. Whatever the products you are having, the products are listed here. So each and every product which your shop is owning, you will be displaying here. What is the name of that? If there is any LI's name, product code, product description and the brand, and what is the categories and subcategories related to it. And if it is a special product, you can give status as yes or no here. So if it is a special product, you can give in which district alone you will be getting the products and pin code areas like that. Or if it is a no, then you can choose the image for that. If there are any additional images, you can give the status active or inactive. So it will be displayed only in active section. If you wanted to list it over in the top product section, it will be listed here. And if you want any top offers to be given here, you can select the S here. And this is a subscription product. If it is a subscription product, you want it daily, monthly, or if you want to select for subscription, you have to give S, or else it will be in the no. So the position what you want. And here the product variant. Suppose for 1 kg the selling price is this, and whatever the settings you want. If it is 2 kgs, the amount will be reduced or like that. Whatever the state is in, you can add it here. And only these amounts will be displayed in the user app. And how much of stock is there. So these are in the products one. Next one in the order section. So this is the order section, where whatever order the user is placing, it will be displayed in this list. You can even take an Excel sheet you can download. So friends, see here the user details will be the invoice number, order date, the shipping address, pin code, and even if there is a landmark while giving the address, we can select it here, and the delivery slot which the user has selected, and the date. So this is a customer sign. Once the delivery is delivered to the customer can sign it, and it will be displayed over here. So the next one is the assign agent. Here, once the order has been dispatched, we can select the agent. Manually if we want, we can select any agents. So in the delivery app, to the particular agent, there will be notification that the delivery is in, the request will be sent. So according to that, you can see the destination and you can deliver the products. So this is the order status. Once you have delivered the order, and if he has given a delivered, it will be in the delivery state. Suppose even the admin can change it to order delivered or dispatched. Even the admin has the right. So the next one is update cash. If he has paid, it will be in the paid status, or if it is online paid, it is paid, or this is the status of the payment. For update rating, if you want to give the rating, we can select the particular which we want, and we can give the order rating has been updated. The next one is update comments. So if you want any comments to be updated, you can do it here. So the delivery app will be linked to this, directly linked to this order section. So this will be displayed in the orders list. The next one is the reports. In the reports, there are certain options for customer reports are there. Order, what and all orders you have. The order customer has placed, that order reports will be here, and order sales report. So from first we can see what are the first report is a customer report. So name, email ID, mobile number, and which date he has joined, and what is the status of that. Everything will be displayed in the customer report. So the next one is the order report. Whatever order the customer has placed, from the start date to end date we can give, and we can transfer it to an Excel sheet. We can export it. So what is the order, invoice number, user, amount, and from which date, what is the status of the order, ratings or comments. If they have anything, you can display here. So this is the second report. And moving on to order sales report. So order number, what is the product name, and how much variant they have given for that order, what is the quantity, price for each order. This is according to the customer requirements we have developed. What is the quantity, how much price total, these things are displayed. So the next report is the stock report. How much ever stock is there and how much they have ordered, and what is the next, these stocks, whatever stock they are keeping, the stock report will be produced here. The next one is a product wise sales report. For each product, how much variant they have ordered, how many quantities, and what are the total sold. These things will be generated from start date to end date. You can generate the report and you can export it in an Excel sheet. So these are the report section. Even if you want any reports to be added, we can do that according to your requirement. The next one is the wallet section. In the wallet section, we can select the user and how much amount, and even if you want, here both option is there, credit and debit. Suppose if they want to refund anything, we can put it in their wallet. If the customer is not for some reason, if you want to give back the money, we can put it in the wallet so they can use it for a later purpose. So next one is instruction. If you want any particular instruction to be displayed, you can give it. Suppose you want a handbag on your door. For subscription purpose, you have to put your handbags on your door. And the next one is prepaid wallet service. You can prepaid your account. So these are some of the instructions which the customer has required. So if you want, we can add these any customer instruction. You can add it in the add instruction page. So the next one is the settings section. So in settings, there is a shipping method. So this is the how the users are going to opt it. Suppose for if they are opting for a normal delivery, they have to purchase above 500. Only then they'll get a free delivery, or else they have to pay for the delivery. This is the option which can be customizable. You can give it according to your requirements. What is the order value and how much amount you want to give if the order value is less. If it is an express value, want it to be delivered even today, that we can now give it here. If it is an express delivery, then you can give the express amount as 40 rupees. Your amount plus 40 rupees will be deducted for that. So these are the options for the shipping method. And the next setting is the postal code. So by the user selects the district and the pin code, the setting, the mapping section will be available here to which pin code which district belongs. The next one is the notification section. Here, if you want any notifications to be sent for all the users in general, then suppose any offers you're going to put, then you can send it here. You can add the notification here and you can give it the message. Suppose tomorrow there is a special subscription, special products are going to be launched, anything like that you can give and it will reach all the users as a notification. So the next one is a payment method. If you want the COD to be enabled, you can select here, or if you want to get disabled, you can do it here. Suppose for some sort of time, if delivery is not, only the payment in bank service is available, you can select this. Whatever payment methods you want, you can select it from here. So the next one is contact details. This is in case of any support section. If you want, these are the numbers available. These are the numbers displayed in the user app. The next one is the push notification. So here you can give the title for the push notification and the notification message. You can send it. If you give the submit, it will reach all the users as a push notification. So the next one is a subscription notification. So here, if you send the subscription notification, the subscription notification will be reached to every customers who have subscribed for a particular product. So these are the main navigation section what we have been using. Suppose if you want any live demo, then we can arrange. Thank you.